Who is Luigi Mangione, and why is he at the center of one of the most shocking stories of the year? In this video, we'll explain the details step by step so everyone can understand what happened. Let's start with Luigi Mangione. He's 26 years old and comes from Maryland, a state on the east coast of the United States. Luigi is known for being very smart. He graduated from an Ivy League school, which is a group of the best colleges in America. These schools are very hard to get into, so this shows Luigi's intelligence and determination. After finishing school, Luigi moved around quite a bit. He lived in San Francisco, California, and spent some time in Hawaii as well. But despite having a strong educational background and an impressive resume, his life took a very dark turn that no one saw coming. The shocking crime happened on the morning of December 4th, 2024. Brian Thompson, the CEO of United Healthcare, a company that deals with health insurance, was walking to an important investors meeting in Midtown Manhattan. For Brian, it was just another day in his very busy life as one of the most powerful businessmen in the country. But everything changed in an instant. Out of nowhere, someone attacked him and fatally shot him right outside a luxury Manhattan hotel. After the attack, the killer ran away, leaving behind a backpack that was later discovered in Central Park, a large and famous park in New York City. The attack happened in the heart of New York City, a place where millions of people live and work. Brian Thompson was near a luxury hotel on a busy street when it happened. The investigation quickly became a nationwide manhunt. 6 days later, Luigi Mangione was found hundreds of miles away from New York in a small town called Altoona, Pennsylvania. He was arrested at a McDonald's restaurant after someone reported him for acting suspiciously. This arrest brought an end to days of searching. Brian Thompson was attacked on December 4th, 2024. Police worked quickly to investigate the case, using all the tools they had. The nationwide manhunt led to Luigi Mangione's arrest on December 9th, just 5 days later. When the police arrested him, they found important evidence. Luigi had a 3D printed pistol and a silencer in his possession, tools that are often associated with planned crimes. This discovery helped confirm that he was connected to the murder. Right now, investigators are still trying to figure out why Luigi did this. When they searched his belongings, they found writings that expressed anger and resentment toward corporate America. This means he might have been upset about how big companies like United Healthcare operate. However, nothing has been confirmed yet, and there are still many unanswered questions about his motive. What was going on in his life that led him to do something so extreme? That's what everyone is trying to understand. The police used several clues to catch Luigi. Surveillance cameras in Manhattan showed a man matching his description near the crime scene. Witnesses also gave statements about what they saw that day, which helped the investigation. Then, 6 days later, Luigi was spotted at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Someone noticed him acting strangely and called the police. When officers arrived, they found him with a suspicious bag. Inside, they discovered a 3D printed pistol and silencer, which are both illegal and connected to the crime. This case has shocked the nation and left many people with questions. Who is Luigi Mangione, and why did he target Brian Thompson? As the investigation continues, we'll share updates to help uncover the full story.